Welcome to Clover Cure. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of ginger, especially for older adults. As we age, maintaining our health becomes increasingly important, and natural remedies like ginger can play a significant role in promoting overall well-being. This powerful root has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its unique flavor, but for its remarkable medicinal properties. Ginger is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce chronic pain, improve digestion, and even boost the immune system. For older adults, these benefits are particularly relevant, as they often face issues like arthritis, digestive problems, and a weakened immune response. Incorporating ginger into daily routines can be a simple yet effective way to enhance health and vitality. Moreover, as many people seek alternatives to pharmaceuticals, natural remedies like ginger offer a holistic approach to health. In this video, we'll explore various ways to incorporate ginger into your diet, share some delicious recipes, and discuss how this humble root can make a big difference in your health journey. So, let's get started and discover the wonders of ginger together. One of the standout benefits of ginger is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for older adults. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogal, have been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, effectively reducing inflammation in the body. This is crucial for older adults who often experience chronic inflammation, which can lead to various health issues. Conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain digestive disorders can be exacerbated by inflammation. For instance, many older adults suffer from osteoarthritis, where inflammation in the joints leads to pain and stiffness. By incorporating ginger into their diet, relief can be found from these symptoms, allowing for improved mobility and a better quality of life. Adding ginger to meals can be simple and delicious. Whether it's in a warm cup of ginger tea, sprinkled on stir-fried vegetables, or blended into smoothies, there are countless ways to enjoy this versatile root. So, if you or a loved one are looking for natural ways to combat inflammation and enhance overall health, consider making ginger a staple in your daily diet. Your body will thank you. Ginger is not just a flavorful addition to your meals. It also boasts impressive antioxidant properties that can play a vital role in combating oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage. This process is a significant contributor to aging and the development of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Antioxidants, like those found in ginger, help neutralize free radicals, thereby protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of these chronic conditions. To maximize the antioxidant benefits of ginger, consider adding it to your daily meals in various ways. You can grate fresh ginger into soups and stews, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a spice in marinades and dressings. Ginger tea is another excellent option, providing a warm and soothing way to enjoy its health benefits. By making ginger a regular part of your diet, you can harness its antioxidant power and support your body in the fight against oxidative stress. As we age, many older adults encounter digestive issues, such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. These problems can significantly impact quality of life, making it essential to find effective solutions. Ginger has long been recognized for its ability to improve digestive health and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. Research has shown that ginger can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. Additionally, ginger has been found to reduce nausea and vomiting, making it particularly beneficial for those experiencing digestive distress. Studies indicate that ginger can help relieve symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even ease the discomfort associated with chemotherapy-induced nausea. To enhance digestive wellness with ginger, consider incorporating it into your daily routine. Fresh ginger can be grated and added to stir-fries, soups, or salads for a flavorful kick. Ginger tea is another excellent option. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a soothing drink that aids digestion. For those on the go, ginger supplements or candies can provide a convenient alternative. By making ginger a staple in your diet, you can support your digestive health and enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. For many older adults, chronic pain can be a daily struggle, particularly conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and muscle soreness. Fortunately, ginger has emerged as a promising natural remedy for alleviating pain. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it an effective option for those seeking relief without relying solely on medications. Research has shown that ginger can significantly reduce pain and improve mobility in individuals suffering from osteoarthritis. A study published in the Journal of Pain found that participants who consumed ginger experienced a notable decrease in pain levels and improved joint function. Another study indicated that ginger extract could be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers for reducing muscle soreness after exercise. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to manage pain naturally. You can enjoy fresh ginger in teas, smoothies, or as a spice in your favorite dishes. Ginger supplements are also available for those who prefer a more concentrated form. By exploring ginger as a natural alternative to pain medications, you may find a holistic approach to managing discomfort and enhancing your overall quality of life. Ginger is rich in bioactive compounds, such as gingerol and shogal, which have been shown to enhance immune response. These compounds possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect the body from oxidative stress and support the immune system in combating infections. Studies suggest that regular consumption of ginger can lead to improved immune function, making it a valuable addition to the diets of older adults. Incorporating ginger into your meals can be both easy and delicious. You can add fresh ginger to smoothies for a zesty kick, use it in stir-fries for added flavor, or brew a comforting ginger tea. Additionally, ginger can be included in soups and marinades, enhancing both taste and health benefits. By making ginger a staple in your kitchen, you can support your immune system and promote better health as you age. Maintaining heart health is crucial for older adults, as cardiovascular diseases are among the leading health issues in this age group. According to the American Heart Association, nearly 80% of adults aged 65 and older have some form of cardiovascular disease. This highlights the importance of adopting heart-healthy habits, and ginger can be a valuable ally in this endeavor. Ginger has been shown to offer several cardiovascular benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and improving circulation. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, studies have indicated that ginger can help reduce blood clotting, further supporting cardiovascular health. For older adults, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health and well-being. As we age, the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes increases, making blood sugar control even more significant. Uncontrolled blood sugar can lead to various complications, including heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. Research has shown that ginger can play a beneficial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Studies indicate that ginger may improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. One study published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Medicine found that participants who consumed ginger experienced a significant reduction in their blood sugar levels after just a few weeks. This makes ginger a promising natural option for those looking to manage their blood sugar effectively. Today we explored the remarkable health benefits of ginger, particularly for older adults. From its powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate chronic pain to its antioxidant effects that combat oxidative stress, ginger proves to be a versatile natural remedy. We also discussed how ginger supports digestive health, provides pain relief, boosts the immune system, promotes heart health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. We encourage you to take action and start experimenting with ginger in your cooking today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the incredible health benefits of ginger. Together, let's embrace natural remedies for a healthier, happier life.